Introducing aPriori.
Yes, I'm an executive consultant with CIMdata, and I head up their green energy practice. So CIMdata is a PLM consulting firm, helping industrial companies and solution providers as well with any aspect of the product lifecycle.
So when you do consulting, I imagine you kind of dive deep into a single company's challenge that they're facing in greening their manufacturing. What is the biggest surprise that you encounter? What is it that executives think they know but really they don't know?
Well, I don't know that I'm surprised by this, but they really don't know what their carbon footprint of their products are, right? They produce ESG reports. So in theory,
they know, but they don't really have a baseline.
Correct.
So how do you start to get them to a baseline?
Well, you really need to do, and aPriori's certainly helping people do this by adding sustainability and carbon along with the cost. And that allows from the very beginning the designers to be able to make the correct decisions, which are roughly like 80% of all the carbon that will go into their products. They're making those decisions early on, and the more tools they have that can do that, the more they can collaborate and involve people across the product life cycle, whether it's sourcing, manufacturing, operations, the better off they're going to be. aPriori's done a great job of describing what's in the products, their future roadmap. What's interesting to me is actually talking to a lot of the customers and what their challenges are across industries. So,
and if you have a prediction, even before that, what do you predict is going to be the biggest challenge for manufacturers across these industries?
The biggest challenge. It's probably going to continue to be the supply chain and diving deeper into the carbon footprint of a lot of their products. Probably 90% of the product is in the supply chain, right? So as they switch to new suppliers, the ability to kind of automate those processes and streamline them is going to be the big difference.
You mean 90% of the product is really out of their hands?
Correct.
It's not being made in-house, it's elsewhere in the supply chain.
Absolutely.
Getting a handle on that is really going to be
Yep.
the clincher for the next year.
Yes.
All right. We're looking forward to seeing it. Thank you so much for talking to us this morning.
And thank you.
aPriori, making profitability and sustainability a reality for a better world.